In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo with music to Instagram story. Now, if you want to do this, open up your Instagram, right? Click on your story, select the music you want to select, right? So I think I'm going to scroll down. So just find any music you want, right? Any music of your own choice. Let me see if I'm going to find something, right? I'm going to keep scrolling, scroll. Let me see if I'm gonna find. Okay, yeah, so I found this, right? Then what we're gonna do, above here there's a music icon, right? So click on it. Right now you're gonna search for the music, or you're gonna select any music you want, right? Let's say if I want to search for, let me say Dax, right? So I'm gonna search for Dax. You're gonna see Dax music, right? So you're gonna select any music you want. Once you are done, click on it. You're gonna click on this, right? It's gonna post, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video.